Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillahilladzi an'amana bi ni'matil imani wal islam wa nusalli wa nusallimu ala khairil anam sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. Qala Allah ta'ala fil Qur'anil Karim, a'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yarfa'illahu alladzina amanu minkum walladzina utul ilma darajat. Al-ayah. Alhamdulillah, puji syukur kehadirat ilahi Rabbi, yang mana pada kesempatan kali ini, pada masa pandemi ini, Pondok Pesantren Ar-Risalah tetap bisa melakukan pendidikan keagamaan, bisa melangsungkan berbagai macam kegiatan di pondok pesantren dengan aman dan baik. Masa pandemi ini, seperti yang kita tahu, tidak hanya meluluh lantakkan sektor ekonomi, namun juga sektor pendidikan. Bagi kami di pondok pesantren, hal tersebut juga terasa. Namun, setiap masalah dan cobaan tentu harus memiliki hikmah besar di dalamnya. Hikmah besar yang terasa bagi kami di pondok pesantren, yakni pengembangan keilmuan yang berkelanjutan serta intensitas pendidikan kepada para santri. Pondok Pesantren Ar-Risalah sejak berdiri tidak hanya fokus dalam upaya pengembangan akhlak dan keilmuan keagamaan, namun lebih daripada itu, pendidikan pada para santri yakni dalam upaya globalize pondok pesantren. Globalize pondok pesantren berarti cara pandang, cara berpikir, atau proses masuk ke ruang lingkup yang mendunia. Hal tersebut diupayakan melalui pembelajaran bahasa asing kepada para santri, baik itu bahasa Arab maupun bahasa Inggris. Kemampuan berbahasa asing ini tentu untuk menyiapkan para santri agar mampu bersaing di masa yang akan datang. Selain daripada itu, hari ini para wali santri juga menghendaki agar para santri yang dititipkan di pondok pesantren memiliki kemampuan atau soft skill lain seperti kecerdasan, keterampilan, dan mampu berinteraksi di lingkungan secara baik. Dan tentu, memiliki kemampuan berbahasa asing yang baik bukanlah sesuatu yang mudah, namun diupayakan melalui proses tahapan pembelajaran. Oleh sebab itu, pembinaan kepada para santri diupayakan dalam pertemuan seminggu sekali di pondok pesantren, dan kali ini juga pengembangan berbasis keminatan. Dalam pengembangan berbasis keminatan ini adalah upaya agar santri memiliki mana minat bahasa yang mereka sangat gandrungi. Selain daripada itu juga untuk membangun kemampuan kepercayaan diri mereka di publik. Dan tentu ini yang menjadi ciri khas kami dalam pembinaan bahasa asing kepada para santri. Dan alhamdulillah, selama beberapa tahun terakhir ini, upaya pengembangan keilmuan kebahasaan ini terbukti dapat membangun kepercayaan diri para santri. Hal tersebut dibuktikan dengan acara kompetisi yang telah dilaksanakan di Pondok Pesantren Ar-Risalah bagi seluruh santri di pondok pesantren. Kompetisi gebyar bahasa untuk seluruh santri di Pondok Pesantren Ar-Risalah dalam upaya membangun mentalitas dan kepercayaan diri para santri agar mampu memanfaatkan atau menggunakan bahasa asing di ruang publik. Selama seminggu itu kami melihat betapa antusiasnya para santri untuk terus-menerus mengembangkan keilmuan kebahasaan mereka. Selain daripada itu, kemampuan berbahasa asing kepada para santri tidak hanya untuk daya saing di dalam negeri, namun juga di luar negeri. Ini terbukti bagi para santri lulusan Pondok Pesantren Ar-Risalah sudah mampu mengarungi pendidikan di luar negeri, baik itu pendidikan di Mesir maupun di Eropa lainnya. Hal tersebut menjadi bukti betapa bermanfaatnya pendidikan bahasa asing untuk para santri di Pondok Pesantren Ar-Risalah. Alhamdulillah, inilah kami akan sedikit menayangkan bagaimana ciri khas pendidikan bahasa asing untuk para santri di Pondok Pesantren Ar-Risalah.
My ambition is entrepreneur, and besides that, I wanna be a writer.
I want to continue my study in South Korea. I wanna be a young entrepreneur. That's all.
I wanna be military because it's my ambition from child, and thank my grandfather and also my family proud of me.
Okay. From the answer that you have given, we can conclude that everyone have their own plannings and everyone have their own dreams. So I hope in the future your dreams and wishes will become true. Amin. Okay, thanks for today. Let's close our program today by reciting Hamdalah together. Alamin. See you next time. Bye-bye.
By the way, what's your ambition?
I've always wanted to be a teacher
Teacher, that's good. What reason?
because I was inspired by the Arisalah teachers. They are friendly.
Yes, I agree with you. The Arisalah teacher are really kind and friendly. That's I study at Arisalah.
Then what's your ambition?
I want to be a policewoman.
What did you prepare for it?
Every night I study diligently, and once a week I'm try physically.
Wow, you are great. I hope your dream can be achieved.
Thank you, Amin. Hope you too.
Hi brother, how's life?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. By the way, where will you study in the next?
I hope I can study in Potekip Academy, inshallah.
Okay, why you choose it?
Because the Potekip gives the scholarship for all students, but the test is so hard.
Okay brother, wish you luck.
Thanks, bro.
Hello everyone, I'm Sri Mulyati and I'm last grade in Arisalah Islamic Boarding School. I invite you to join us. You will get science knowledge and religion knowledge all at once here. As we know, when Albert Einstein said that science without religion is blind and religion without science is lame, it's one part of our obligation as Muslim to looking for it. So that's why, what are you waiting for? Let's check our profile and see you!
Hi there, I'm Dede Gunawan. I'm last grade here. Talking about future, we must train from the young, even the child. The bright future can be realized by knowledge, and to get it, you must study hard in a good condition, in a great place, and in the best teacher. As our headmaster Kiai Haji Asep Saiful Milas says that the key of success are Dakaun, Wahirsun, Wastibarun, Wabulgotun, Wahirsyadu Ustadi, Watul Zamani. Here you can get it and do it directly. You can study about English, Arabic. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us and be a part of Arisalah's big family. See you.
And here I am. I believe you have seen the process of learning foreign language in this Islamic boarding school of Arisalah, of course. So now, let me show to you about how they develop their foreign language process, their foreign language ability. Here, the first, what's your name?
My name is Ara.
And you?
My name is Deva.
Where did you come from?
I am from Jakarta.
And you?
I'm from Tasikmalaya.
Okay, so now let me now and show to the people how you develop your foreign language ability. Ara, the first?
I'm not confident person before joining with English club.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, so how you improve?
After that, many events that required me to perform in public, which is something that I really avoid.
Oh, okay. Okay, I remember some events that you follow, and you can be the finalist. Something like sing a song, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you sing a little, okay, and show to people, to the parents, how fluently you sing in English? Sarah.
Song?
Yes.
Dear future husband, if you wanna get such special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night.
Okay, that's very nice. I remember you are the top 5, right?
Yeah.
The top 5 of the singer of girl, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. And for Deva?
Well, about me, I can speak foreign language well before, but my spirit to study it comes when I had been a part of Arisalah students.
So?
And in a member of foreign language, Arisalah, and then I joined the
Event.
language week competition. I won, and not only other people.
Okay.
I myself, I was surprised, not expect.
Okay. Is it helping you to improve your speaking foreign language ability?
Yes.
And for Deva, you are the top 5 for the speech.
Yes.
Yes. What the title?
Parent.
Oh, about the parent. About parent. What the title?
Ridho Wahi fi ridho walidain.
Oh, that's very nice. I'm sure that all of the parent careers of Aras full of singer, of sing-a-song, and Deva of speech. So the parents, it's time for you to send your children here. Well, the last one. What's your message for all the parents, the students outside for improving their foreign language? Ara?
Don't forget, send your children in here.
Okay, what about you, Deva?
So for those who are learning English, be confident because self-confidence is ninja's way to success.
Okay, that's very nice. Arisalah is never forget about this one. Thank you.
We're not able to reach the future alone
Because if we run together, we believe it will be beautiful. So we always need a support. We always need a praying
to fight and struggle in our way.
because going to the top is never easy.
Arisalah will always stand on them. So for Arisalah,
We'll fight together for the brighter future.